Hi folks, welcome to Biology 102 for the fall 2020 semester. I'm so sorry that I won't be meeting you all in person, but I do look forward to interacting with you throughout this course, and I hope that you find it fun and informative. Just wanted to get you kind of a quick little orientation just to make sure that everybody has all of the information that you need to get started. My name is Kristen Milcarrick. Some of you may have had me for Bio 101. If so, welcome back. If not, it's lovely to meet you all. Just wanted to check in on the Blackboard, since this is where our course is really going to be living and where we're going to be meeting. Wanted to make sure that you all know where to find everything. You're probably better at Blackboard than I am, so this is probably just more information than you need, but I just wanted to make sure you know where to find everything. Most importantly, our class syllabus. So that's once you log into our Blackboard page, the course syllabus is listed right here, and I just thought we should take a few minutes to go through this together. It's the pretty standard Blue Ridge syllabus document that you've all seen before, but I wanted to talk about the things that are specific to our course. So again, oops, I need to change this because I'm not Dr. Perry. I will make sure that my correct information is listed here. Again, my name is Kristen Milcarrick, and you should have my email address, but it'll be listed here on the syllabus. One thing I did want to point out, because we're not going to be meeting in the classroom, I won't have office hours before and after class like I typically do. Those hours I'll make myself available by appointment, so if you have questions or concerns and you want to chat for a few minutes, just send me an email and we'll set up a time that we can get on a Zoom call and go over things together. So again, this is Biology 102. You're going to use the same textbook that you had used for Bio 101, so it's Biology Concepts and Connections, the 9th edition, with a cute little red panda on the front. And then we'll also be needing, we'll be using for our labs, since we're not having labs in person, you'll be doing labs through an eScience course that you should have purchased at the bookstore as well. Our attendance policy this year, of course, is going to be a little bit different, but we are still required to record your attendance. And the way that I plan to do that is by making sure that you're keeping up with your homeworks. And I'm going to have video lectures that are recorded and posted to the Blackboard page. I can see that you're viewing those. So please make sure you try to stay up on top of at least viewing those recorded lectures and keeping up with the course material, so that I can continue to count you present for your attendance. Some support services, if you should need them, just where you can go to get additional support outside of class. Again, we're doing online learning, which is a little bit different, so please feel free to stay in touch with me and send me emails and, as you have questions or as needed. So just wanted to get into the meat of this class. We have a typical grading scale, so 90 and above is an A. In the 80s is a B, 70s C, 60s a D, and below 60 is a failing grade. Some important dates to remember. Again, this is all here for you to reference in the syllabus. All right, and so this table here is really the important information pertinent to this class. So we've divided the sessions into the weeks and the dates associated with each week. There will be, each week we'll have at least one, most likely, most weeks there will be two chapters of recorded lectures for you to view. I will post the PowerPoints so that you can have those available and click through them. Either click through them or you can print them out and take notes on them as you're listening to the lecture. There will be a homework associated with each chapter. So there will be at least one homework assignment for you to complete each week. They're due on Friday of every week. I will accept late submittals. So I know that we're all working in a strange atmosphere, and sometimes we're sharing computer resources and online time and things like that. So you can submit things late. I just really encourage you to try not to get behind, because all of those homeworks do count pretty heavily towards your final grade. We'll have 3 tests and then the final, so 4 exams total. The first test will be posted online the week of week 5. The second will be the week of week 8. The third will be the week 11. I'm sorry, there are 5 tests. There will be a 4th test during week 14, and the final exam will be cumulative information that we've done through the whole semester. Labs. So typically when we can meet in person, we have in-person labs where we perform experiments. We're going to be doing it a little bit differently this time. We will have online labs that you'll need to complete, and I'll show you where to find those in just a few minutes. So each week, just keep track of which lab you need to complete, and that'll be you'll post that information onto the Blackboard site. There will also be a couple of projects or a report on diseases that I will get that information to you at a later date, and then another animal structure project that we'll talk about later in the semester. So I think that's it for the syllabus. Again, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. Email is the best way to reach me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so that's where you find, so you find the syllabus under course information. Everything else that you'll need to find will be listed here under this course content tab. So if you click there, you'll see that each week is, there's a different folder for each week that we have class. And each week will look pretty similar to the previous week. So just when you click in here, there will be some instructions on the things that you need to complete each week, when the homeworks are due, and then below that will be all of the necessary information and assignments. So as I mentioned, I'll post the PowerPoint that goes along with each of the videos. The videos I've posted to YouTube, so you should just have a link right here that will take you right to the chapter video. You should be able to watch that from your phone or desktop or laptop or tablet device. So again, let me know if you have any trouble with that link. As I mentioned, you'll have homeworks. All of the homeworks will be online through your Pearson account, which you should have purchased with which would have been included with your book purchase. And there should be an active link from your Blackboard page that takes you, and mine's probably, yours will look different than this, but if you click on that link right from the folder, that'll take you to the chapter's homework assignment. You can also access that by logging directly into Pearson as well. All of the assignments, you can get to them either way. And then, as I mentioned, each week there will be a lab activity. Sometimes they will be through this this digital biology lab. If so, the link will be right embedded in here, and it'll take you to where you can log into that. Again, that should have been purchased through the bookstore. And then you'll post your assignments, your lab paperwork right here, and you can just upload it using these links and submit it to me, and I'll be able to grade it from there. So lastly, if I have a class announcement, I will post it here under announcements. There's not one here yet, but there will be, I think, by the time you are viewing this. Those announcements will be here available in Blackboard, and then they'll also be emailed to you as well. So anytime I have anything important to share with the whole class, I'll be sure to post it here and also copy it as an email that you'll get directly. Again, if you have any questions at all, my email address is now correctly in the syllabus, and you can also reach me here through, I think there's actually a way you can directly, yes, you can send me an email directly here under communication tools. You can send me an email through Blackboard. All right, folks, be in touch with any questions, and I really look forward to a safe and fun semester. See you soon.